Hi, it's me. There's nothing like a 10-year-old birthday party that will remind you that you have created some really cool things in your time. This simple pop-up gift card holder is a way to give somebody a gift card and make it feel extra special when they get it, because when they open their card, that little card holder will be standing up, and it's very, very easy to make. So here is me gluing on the little card part of it, and it's actually the main mechanism of the entire card. Those two little glue tabs get glued straight into the middle, and it's always going to stand up. And this piece right here that I'm sliding on top helps support it so that it stands up straight every single time you open the card. The hardest part of this is putting on the magnet, and for some reason, magnets always get people really excited. They're like, ooh, it's a magnet on my paper card, right? People don't expect it, but it actually serves the purpose of helping to keep the card shut, because otherwise the little gift card holder in the middle is going to want to pop up all the time. So I really love how this magnet is functional and cute at the same time. It gives your card a little bit of extra flair. But it's also probably the hardest thing to do on this card, but so worth the time and effort on putting it in. And I love how it's an eye catcher, and it always gets everybody excited to open this card. I will link the full tutorial down below so that you can make one for your friends and family too. Take care. Have a great day.